Hey guys, Normal 12 here. Today we have a 52-inch Carribean electric ceiling fan, manufactured by Aircool, I believe. This thing is really chunky, very high quality. Flies on high speed. If you hear some background noise, that's the dogs. We got Puppy, and he likes to play with noisy toys. And he also likes to make the cats mad, excuse me. Anyway, here's the low speed. Very aesthetic low speed. Here's medium. Start blowing a really good amount of air. Here's high. It hauls like really fast. It probably has a 188 millimeter motor, I believe. Someone told me it was a Caribbean breeze motor in there, and someone else told me it wasn't. So I don't know. Let's get a closer look. Yeah, hauls. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.